Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the USB debugging in this device. For this, simply go to settings, then scroll down, then tap on the option about device. So before enable the USB debugging, we need to enable the developer options. For this, tap on version. To enable developer options, tap on 7 times on the version number. Now you can see you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, then tap on additional settings, scroll down, here you can see developer options. Now the developer options is enabled in this device. Then scroll down, so under debugging, here you can see the option USB debugging. To enable USB debugging, simply turn on this one, tap on OK. So simply in this way you can enable the USB debugging in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.